In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start unit number 15, Pythagoras Theorem. Before starting this exercise, we will first of all discuss its concept. You know that there are many types of triangles: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle. But here we will discuss right angle triangle. Right angle triangle makes one angle equals to 90 degree. That is the right angle triangle. Now AC is a base and BC is an altitude. Altitude are perpendicular. Now AB is a hypotenuse. It is denoted by C. Base like B, altitude like A, perpendicular like B. You can write its name. Now greatest angle in right angle triangle is 90 degree and its opposite side is AB. Greatest angle has greatest side opposite to it. Now, so Pythagoras theorem will be C square equals to A square plus B square. Now, C is a hypotenuse, A is an altitude and B is a base whole square. Now, this is the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras, a Greek philosopher and mathematician, discovered the simple but important relationship between the sides of a right angle triangle. He formulated this relationship in the form of a theorem called Pythagoras theorem after his name. Let's see. Question number 6, part number 2. Find the value of x. Exercise 15. Now, you know that this is a triangle. There are two triangles, A, B, D, and second triangle is ADC. Now basically you have to find the value of x, but check that this right angle triangle ABD. Now x is also unknown and altitude is also unknown. Just hypotenuse is given. So how you can find x? Now check the other triangle ADC. Now its hypotenuse and base is given. You have firstly find the altitude. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, C square equals to A square plus B square. Now you have to put the values. 13 centimeter whole square. Altitude here is AD. You have to find out here. Now base is 5 centimeter whole square. Now take the square of 13, 169 centimeter square, and AD whole square plus 25 centimeter whole square. Now 25 centimeter square shift here, it become minus. Now AD whole square as it is. Now 169 minus 25, 9 minus 5 4, and 6 minus 2 4 and 1 centimeter square written as it is. You have just find the value of AD, but this is the value of AD whole square. So you have to remove the square. So taking square root on both sides. Now you can take square root 144 centimeter whole square and under root. Now AD whole square and whole under root. Now take the square root of 144. It will be equals to 12 centimeter square. Now under root value equals to 1 by 2. So you have separately put equals to 1 by 2. Now AD whole square. So put the value of under root equals to 1 by 2. Now it will be cancelled. Now 12 centimeter equals to AD. Length always measured in positive form. So you have to ignore the negative sign. So this is the answer. It's mean AD you have to find 12 centimeter. Now you can find the value of x. Now you can take another triangle ABD like this. In triangle ABD, now Pythagoras theorem you have to again apply here. C square equals to A square plus B square. Now here C is 15 centimeter, B is x and here A equals to 12 centimeters. So you have to put the values. Now you can take the square of 15 centimeter. It will be 225 centimeter square equals to 144 centimeter square plus x square. Now shift 144 centimeter square to left side, then its sign will be changed, so it will be equals to x square. Now you have to subtract. Now taking square root on both sides, so take the square root of 81, 9, and centimeter square, so put the value of under root and its value equals to 1 by 2. Same procedure you have to apply here. 2 cancel with 2. Now its answer is x equals to 9 centimeter. Let's see question number 7. You know that A is a plane and this B is an airport. Plane is going to be landed on earth. So this is a plane and its height from plane to base 300 meter and the distance from airport is 500 meter. So you have to find hypotenuse. Now you have to use here by Pythagoras theorem. C square equals to A square plus B square. A is 300 meter, you can write here, and B here is 500 meter, and C you have to find out here. So you have to write here value C as it is. Now A here 300 meter whole square. Now base here is 500 meter whole square. Now you can take the square, it will be equals to 90,000 meter and 2,50,000 meter square. Now you can add. Now you have to take square root on both sides, so you can write here taking square on both sides. Now C equals to, now you can take the square root of this. You can solve it by calculator directly. Now you can write the factors of this. 2, 5 times you will write here 2, then 4 times you will write here 5, then 1 time you will write here 17 meter square. Now you will make the square. 2 square multiply by 2 square, this 2 just alone, so write 1 time. Now 5 square, this 5 just alone, so write 1 time. 17 meter square. Now the value which is having square, it will come outside from the square root, because under root having value equals to 1 by 2. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Now you can write this 2, now this 5 and 17. Now meter square, its value 1 by 2. Now it will be cancelled. Now you can write here 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20. 5 having 4 time here, so I will miss 1 5 here square. Now you will remove this. Now you can add 1 5 more. Now it will be 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20, 20 multiply by 5 100. Now this will be 100 and 17 multiply by 2, it will be equals to 34 meter. Now this is the answer. You can directly write with the help of calculator also, it's your own choice. Now let's see question number 8. A ladder 17 meter long rests against a vertical wall. This is a vertical wall. Now this is a ladder and you have to put this ladder along the wall. The foot of the ladder is 8 meter away from the base of the wall. It will be 8 meter away. Now the length of ladder is 17 meter. Now its name is A, B and C. So you have to find the height up, how high up the wall will the ladder reach. It means this you have to find out here. That is known as A. Now you have to use same here Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. C square equals to A square plus B square. Now this is altitude, this is a base and this is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse denoted by C. Now you can write the value. Now A you have to find out here, so as it is. Now B is 8 meter whole square. Now its square is 289. meter square equals to a square plus 64 meter square. Now 64 meter square shift to left side, then it become minus equals to a square. Now you have to subtract 8 minus 6 2 and 2. Now you will remove the square, so taking square root on both sides. You can write here taking square root on both sides. Now you can write here 225 meter square whole square root equals to a square whole square root. Now its square is 15 meter square, so you have to put the value of under root 1 by 2, it will be cancelled. Now a square multiply by 1 by 2, so its answer is 15 meter. When you have to remove the square roots, you have to put both sign plus and minus, but you have to calculate here height, so or length and height cannot be negative, so this is the answer. Hence the height of the wall will be 15 meter. That is the answer. I hope you have to understand the concept of Pythagoras theorem. Allah Hafiz.